Hi guys, today I'll show you 5 free AI tools that turn text into videos and images. We'll test them one by one to see which one actually gives the best result. Let's go.
Let's start with Qwen. This is a powerful AI tool for turning text into videos. The coolest thing about it is that, unlike many free tools, it doesn't put a watermark on your results. Plus, there's no limit on how many videos you can create or on the quality. Getting started is easy. Just search Qwen on Google and click the first result. On the homepage, you might not see the video creation option right away. That's because you first need to sign up. It's quick, just hit the sign up button at the top right and log in with your Google account. Once you're in, click on More in the menu and the video generation feature will appear. Qwen has other features too, but today we're focusing on two: text to video and text to image. For my video test, I gave it a simple prompt describing a futuristic city with flying cars. Processing took about 3 minutes and the video was ready. Honestly, the result was decent. Not mind-blowing, but for a free tool, very solid. Next, I tried the text-to-image feature with a cinematic prompt, a powerful lion walking down a snowy street. The image came out really well, exactly as I imagined, with good quality. Then I tested the same lion prompt again, this time as a video. It took about 5 minutes to process, and again, while not flawless, the result was still usable. So if you want a free tool that does both text-to-video and text-to-image with no limits, Qwen is a great option. The outputs may not always be perfect, but since you can generate as much as you like, your chances of getting something amazing are really high. Tool 2. Dreamina. Next up, Dreamina. This one is connected directly to CapCut, and it lets you create high-quality images and videos from either a simple text prompt or even just one picture. To use it, search Dreamina on Google and click the official link. Hit Create Now to open the dashboard. You'll need to sign in first. Use Gmail, TikTok, or Facebook. I use Gmail. Here's the cool part. As soon as you sign in, Dreamina gives you 120 free credits to start creating. It's not fully free forever, but the quality makes it worth trying. If you want, you can log in with another Gmail account to get more credits, or get a paid plan if you want to go pro. I first tested the AI image feature. I set the size and used the same lion in the snowy street prompt. Less than a minute later, the results were ready. Each image only cost 2 credits, which is amazing. The photos looked stunning. The lighting, the details, the cinematic style, all on point. Plus, you even get editing options for your generated images. Then I tested AI video. I uploaded the lion image I just made and entered the same prompt. The Pro model needs a subscription, but the free version still lets you generate. Each video costs about 50 credits and a 10-second video is 100. I kept mine at 5 seconds. Less than a minute later, the video was done. The quality was solid, not perfect, but definitely good enough. Downloading is super easy, and I tried creating more images too. They all looked amazing. Honestly, Dreamina gives you both image and video generation at really high quality. If you're serious about visuals, this tool is worth checking out. By the way, if you're enjoying this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. And drop a comment to let me know which tool has impressed you the most so far. Tool 3. Bing AI. The third tool is Bing AI, made by Microsoft. To use it, search Bing AI on Google and go to the official site. You'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account. I first tested the image generator with the same lion prompt. Bing AI gives you 2 models, ChatGPT-4 and DALL-E 3. With ChatGPT-4, the image was generated super fast and the quality was really good, realistic, and detailed. But with DALL-E 3, the results weren't as good. So in my opinion, ChatGPT-4 works better here. For the video feature, you can choose the size, but the duration is fixed at 5 seconds. I selected fast mode and the video was ready in seconds. The quality was decent, not perfect. The lion's walk wasn't totally natural, but with a few retries you can get better. Overall, I'd say Bing AI's video quality is stronger than Qwen's. One big plus is that Bing AI has a smooth interface and is available as an app on iOS and Android. That means you can easily use it on your phone anytime. To get started, head over to Magi Sand AI and sign up using either your Google account or Discord. On your very first login, you'll see 500 free credits waiting in the top corner, which you can use to generate videos. If you run out, you always have the option to buy more. Once you're inside, click on Create New Project. At this point, you can either choose an image from your existing assets or upload one directly from your device. I uploaded the same image I had used in the earlier tests. After the upload, hover over the picture and a small plus icon will appear. Click on it, and now the image is ready to edit. I typed in the same prompt we tried earlier with Bing AI. One nice feature here is the ability to save credits. Shorter videos cost less, while longer ones use more. So to keep things efficient, I decided to generate an 8-second clip. Before hitting generate, there are also two useful toggles. One improves the text prompt, and the other enhances the output quality. I switched both on. The estimate said it would take about 3 minutes, but in reality, the rendering process took closer to 11. When the video was ready, the results were decent. It followed the prompt fairly well, although the ending wasn't exactly what I had in mind. A cool extra feature is that once the video is generated, you can expand it further by clicking the plus icon again. Of course, there are some downsides. This platform only supports image to video, not text to video. The final clips also come with a watermark, and the processing time can be pretty long. Still, with the free credits you get at the start, it's a fun tool to experiment with and see what kind of results you can create. Finally, let's talk about one of the most hyped tools right now, Nano Banana. We're going to test both Nano Banana for images and VO3 for videos. To start, search Gemini on Google and click the first link. Sign in with your Google account. The tool isn't fully free. You do get a chatbot for free, but the image and video features require a subscription. I tested it with the Pro plan. First, I tested the image side with Nano Banana. I uploaded a photo of an AI-generated Italian model and asked it to change the background and add a large window. In under a minute, it was done perfectly. The face and clothing stayed intact. Then I asked it to change the suit to black. Again, flawless detail. Finally, I gave it a crazy prompt. Turn the model into an ice cream in a park. In less than a minute, it delivered exactly what I imagined. That was both fun and impressive. Now for the video side with VO3. From the Tools section, I clicked Video Generation. I uploaded one of the images I had created earlier in Dreamina, added my prompt, and the tool estimated 1 to 2 minutes. Sure enough, in about 2 minutes, the video was ready. The result was really good. Cinematic shots, good sound design. There was one small issue, but regenerating easily fixed it. Even with unusual prompts, the tool still worked well. Honestly, Nano Banana feels like a very powerful option for both image and video creation. If you're into content creation, this tool can definitely help push your ideas further. So that's it for today's review. We tested 5 AI tools, compared their features, options, and differences, and now you should have a clearer idea which one works best for your projects. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials. And I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and tell me which of these tools you liked the most.